What's up, guys? Today we gonna learn how can we compress PDF or convert PDF to Word easily inside ChatGPT. Without firstly, we need to go inside app section. Then here we search small PDF. Actually, ChatGPT integrated apps inside App Store. There are many apps that are integrated inside App Store. Here it is. We connected the small PDF in that way. Now we click on Start Chat, right? If you want to select the app, just type hashtag and write the name. Now here what we can do is we upload our document. We go to add photos and files. The PostgreSQL notes I uploaded, right? It is getting uploaded. Now I will tell convert it into Word file and press enter. Now here we need to drop that file again. Here it is. It shows two types. Either we can do advanced conversion with OCR or basic conversion. In advanced conversion, we will be able to edit text, but in basic conversion, it is not editable. The word file that created, we will not be able to edit that file in basic conversion. We click on convert. It is converted. Now we can download it. Here you can see it converts that PDF file into Word file. Now let's understand some of the other features it can implement. Now let's say we ask compress PDF file, right? And click enter. Again, I need to drop file. I dropped it. It asks either basic compression or strong compression. Now we click on compress. Here you can see now it is only 198 KB that PDF file. Earlier it was 382.